How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today we will be taking a look at this amazing application that goes by the name called CitizenChat. Basically this is an app that lets you connect with different people across the world. You can post short videos, pictures, learn some useful courses. You can even search for a job, and the app offers a lot of useful features that I will be explaining in this video. With that being said, make sure you guys watch this video till the very end. So drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, first things first, in order to download this application, all you have to do is just head over to the video description and there you will find a direct link. Simply download and install this application on your phone. Since you are a new user, it will ask you to sign up by creating a new account. Now once you are logged in, you will see this interface where we have a separate section to watch some interesting content that has been uploaded by other users. Unlike many other applications that force you to watch the content one by one, CitizenChat has this grid view which allows you to browse the content and watch whatever you like. So you are not being forced to watch the videos that are randomly shown to you. Instead, you can scroll down and view the content you are interested in. Apart from this, if you are a content creator and you like to upload short videos on this platform, then the opportunity to grow and get discovered is much higher as compared to other platforms. So you don't have to be an influencer. You just need to upload your content, and I'm sure you're going to get a really good exposure on this platform. Guys, if you want to publish your videos, you just need to tap on this plus icon, and here you can easily upload videos, pictures, and even there is an option to upload voice note directly from your phone. Other than this, the app also lets you connect with different people. You can discover people nearby to your location or anywhere in this world by simply using this filter. Then you can send a request and get connected instantly. CitizenChat has some exciting features when it comes to communicating with your friends. If you go inside chats, not only you can share pictures, videos, documents, and make voice and video calls. Basically, it helps you to translate any messages sent or received in over 100 languages. So you don't have to worry about not understanding a message that you have received. It will automatically get translated and shows you in your preferred language. And whenever you want to send a message to your friend, you get this option to change the font color. So you just need to click on this icon and change the color according to your mood. So there are some cool features that will definitely enhance your experience while communicating with someone. Next, if you want to update your profile, you just need to click on My Profile and tap on Edit. Here you can see all your uploads. Then you can update your personal information. But the best part is, if you are looking for a job opportunity, then you can also update your resume to find the right connection that will help you in getting a job. Apart from this, you can also explore and join different communities within the application. Just go to Communities, and here you will see list of all communities that people can join. There are some interesting topics that you can explore. Basically, you can join and chat in these groups. In case if you want to create your own community, then you can send a request as well. So that's pretty much it guys. It's an all-in-one application that lets you connect with different people across the world. You can watch some interesting content, upload your own videos, and get a really good exposure on this platform. Not only this, CitizenChat also helps you to connect with the right people to fulfill your job requirement. All in all, it's a great application, and for the price of free, I will highly recommend you to give it a try. You will find a direct link in the description below. So that's it for this video. If you guys liked this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android, and I will see you guys in the next one.